Once you get your vessel installed onto your support frames, you're going to need to check the backlash on the gears. The backlash is the distance between the gear teeth when they're aligned. To do that, you take a feeler gauge and place it between the gap on the gear teeth. The feeler gauge will tell you how much space is there. In your GEMCO manual, it'll tell you, based on the diametral pitch of the gears, what the minimum allowable spacing between the gear teeth is. If you need to adjust the backlash up or down, you can adjust the reducer using the screws on the side to move it side to side, or to move it up and down, you can place shims below the reducer. The backlash should be measured at 4 points along the gear teeth, 90 degrees apart, top, bottom, and both sides. The backlash should be measured, and the minimum backlash should be set at the tightest point.